Good morning, students. Last class we have solved 7 question answer, right? Today we will solve 8 questions. Okay, 8, 9 question. We'll read the question first. Okay, a student multiplied 7,236 by 65. One student is there. He has multiplied the 7,236 number by 65. Instead of multiplying by 56, actually he has to multiply this number by 56, but wrongly he has multiplied by 65. Okay, now question is, by how much his answer greater than the correct answer? That means how much he has got wrong answer is how much is greater than the correct answer. Okay, for that what we need to do? We need to calculate correct answer and wrong answer. Both we need to calculate, right? That means what? Wrong answer. First we will multiply it by solution. Wrong answer. Okay. Wrong answer means what? A wrong number multiplied, which is that 65. 7,236 is multiplied 65. Wrongly he has multiplied by 6. And multiply now. How much answer will come? We'll check. 5 6 are 30. 5 3 are 15. 15 plus 3 is 18. 5 2 are 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. 5 7 is 35. 35 1 is 36. And next number 6 6 are 36. Right? 6 3 are 18. 18 plus 3 21. Right? So 6 2 are 12. 12 plus 2 14. Right? No. 6 7 are 42. 42 plus 1 43. And now add this form 0 14 3 10 7 4. What is wrong answer he got when he multiplied 7,236 by round number 65? He got answer 4,70,340. 4,70,340 he got wrong answer. Now we will calculate correct answer. Multiply same number by correct number, that is 56. 7 2 3 6 into 56. Multiply number. Okay. 6 6 are 36. 6 3 is 18. 18 plus 3 is 21. Right? No. 6 2 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. 6 7 is 42. 42 plus 1 is 43. Right? 5 6 are 30. Right? 5 3 are 15. 15 plus 3 is 18. 5 2 are 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. 5 7 are 35. 35 plus 1 is 36. Add 6 1 12 5 10 4. So how much we got? Correct answer 4,05,216. So when he multiplied the number by wrong number 65, he got 4,70,340. When he multiplied the number by correct number, he got 4,05,216. Now we need to find out this number is how much greater than this number. For that one, what we need to do? Greater and smaller. When we are checking greater and smaller, we need to minus. We need to minus the numbers. So we'll minus here. Okay. 4,70,340 and here 4,05,216. Now simply find out the difference. Okay. So 10 minus 6 is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. 10 minus 5 is 5. 7 minus 6, 1 is 6. 4 minus 2. So what is the answer? 65,124. How much? 65,124. That means answer is what? Therefore 4 lakh, the wrong number is 65,124 times greater than the correct answer. Understood? I hope you people are understood? Write down the numbers. Okay, and then we move for next one. Okay students, we will go for next question now. 9th question, we'll read it. To stitch a shirt, 2 meter 15 centimeter cloth is needed. To stitch one shirt, it requires 2 meter 15 centimeter cloth, and out of 40 meter, that means total cloth how much is there? 40 meter is there. How many shirts can be stitched and how much cloth will remain? Okay, 40 meter cloth is there. In that, to stitch one shirt, it requires 2 meter 15 centimeter. Okay, using that 40 meter cloth, how much shirts we can stitch? After stitching also, how much cloth will remain? Okay, that we need to find. Okay, so we will write here total length of cloth. How much is there? They have given 40 meters. Shall we convert this one in centimeter? To convert meter into centimeter, multiply meter into 100. That means what? 40 meter they have given and multiply it by 100. You will get what? You will get centimeter of that meter. 4000 centimeter. It will become 4000 centimeter. Okay. So cloth required to stitch one shirt. How much? Cloth required to stitch one shirt. How much they have given? 2 meter and 15 centimeters. 15 centimeter. So we need to convert this one in centimeters. 15 is already in centimeter, but to convert 2 meter, 100 plus 15 centimeter. 2 into 100, 200 plus 15 is 215. 215 centimeter. Okay, total how much we have? 4000 centimeter. To stitch one cloth shirt, we need 2015 centimeter. Now we need to find out how much shirts we can stitch in 4000 centimeter. For that one, what we need to do? We have to divide total cloth by to stitch one shirt. Okay, so how much it will come? Divide now. 215. Okay, we will take 1 za 215 1 za 215. If we take 2 here, it will go more than 400. That's why, right? 5 8 1 0. Okay, now by how much it will go? We calculate by 5, because 2010 is 2150 will come. We multiply it by 5, 5025, 5 into 5 7, 5 to the 10. Will not come. We go for next one, more than this one. 8 will take 8 5 is 40, 8 1 is 8, 8 plus 4 is 12, right? 8 2 is 16, 16 plus 1 is 17. So nearest value is 1720. Here is the bit no. Okay, 0 3 1 0. So see students here, in 4000 centimeter we can stitch 18 stitch. Therefore 18 shirts we can stitch. And how much is remaining here? And 130 centimeter cloth will remain. I hope you understood this question, students. Simple. We have to divide. First we have to convert meter into centimeters. Then we have to divide total cloth length and to require one shirt. When we divide this, Simple students, it is based on what? On small questions we will take now. Okay. So you have 20 mangoes with you. You have 20 mangoes with you. If I told how much you have 4 mangoes, for one student you have to give 2 mangoes. For one student you have to give 2 mangoes. If I ask you, so total 20 mangoes, how much students, in how much students you can distribute? What you will do here? You will divide it 20 by 2. How much you will get here? 10. That means what? In between 10 students you can distribute 20 mangoes. Like that only you need to think about this. Okay, I hope you understood this question. Please take them. Okay students, we will move on. Next question now. 10th question. Medicine is packed in the boxes. Medicines are packed in the boxes, each weighing 4 kg 500 gram. One box weight is 4 kg 500 gram. And how many such a boxes can be loaded in a van? In a van they are loading it. How many such a boxes can be loaded in a van which cannot carry beyond 800 kg? That van will not carry more than 800 kg. Okay. So like that, within 800 kg, how many boxes we can loaded in the van? So total weight, that means what we will write here? Maximum load can be loaded in the van. Right here, maximum load can be loaded in van. How much they are given? 800 kg. Shall we convert this one in grams? Okay. To convert kg into grams, you have to multiply kg into 1000. Any kg, 800 kg they have given, no? Right here 800 as it is. To convert this kg into grams, you need to multiply it by 1000. Okay, when any kg if you multiply it by 1000, then it will become in grams. So now it will become 80,000 grams. When you multiply 800 into 1000, it will become 80,000 grams. Okay, so weight of one box, how much is there? Weight of one box, 4 kg 500 grams. We'll convert this one in grams. 4 kg, how to convert? 4 into 1000 plus how much is remaining? 500 gram. Total 4 into 1000, 4000 plus 500 is 4500. Right now, 4500 gram. Okay, now we need to find out how much boxes we can load in this one. For that one, how we did in previous question, we need to divide total load in one box weight. Okay, so we will divide it now 80,000 and you divide it by 4,500. Okay, now divide by how much? Take one's we will take one's 4,500. 0, 0, 5 and here 3. Okay, now take 7s. 7s how much will come? 4,500 into 7. 7 zeros are 0, 7 zeros are 0, 7 5s are 35, 7 4s are 28, 28 plus 3 1, 31. So 31,500. 31,500. Now divide this one. 0, 0, 5 3 0. 35 is remaining. 35,000 is remaining right now. 35,000 is remaining, right? So again divided by 7s. Again divided by 7s. How much it will come? 31,500. Right? So shall we take here more than 7? 8 we take. We check 8 by taking it 8. 8 is 4,558. 8 0 0. Shall we take here? Wait 1 minute. 4,500 into 17 we'll do here. 17 0 0 17 0 0 17 5 is 85. 17 4 is 68. 68 plus 8 is 68 plus 8. 8 is there no, take 17 here. Not take here. 17 will take. We go for big one. How much it becomes? 76 5 0 0 0 0 5 4 3 0. Now it will come. Now 4,500 into 7. 7 0 0 7 0 0 7 5 is 35. 7 4 is 28. 28 plus 28 plus 28 plus 3. We can't we go for 5. Go for 5. 1 0 0 0. 5 5 is 25. 5 4 is 40 40. So 5 4 is 20 22 will come. This 0.7. This much is remaining. This much grams will remain. So we can fill. We can load 17 boxes and 3,500 gram will remain. 3,500 gram will remain. I hope you understood the sum. Okay? Thank you, students. Take care. Bye bye.